What's up? Welcome back to the channel. Right now I'm with David. Abby isn't feeling well. We've rented bikes and we're going to do Rutas de las Cascadas, which is a route of 7 different waterfalls. So it's going to be a big 2-3 hour bike ride where you'll get to see a lot of waterfalls. So after cycling for like, I don't know, what, 10-15 minutes or something, it says it's easy and flat, but it was hilly and windy, so it was a bit difficult. We found a waterfall, but we're not sure if that's the first one, because the map says it's further back and we've gone past it, but we haven't seen any, and this is the first one we've seen. So that's the first waterfall you're getting out of 7. So let's continue. We have to cycle under this overhang and it has a little waterfall running down. Should be quite nice.
Oh, it's so cold.
Oh, is it cold? Oh, that's freezing. Yeah. Oh, it's freezing, but quite refreshing. We reached the second waterfall out of 7. This one is a lot better than the last one. It's quite big, looks quite powerful as well. Still really tired, still got 5 more waterfalls to get to against the wind, but we're getting there slowly. So we think we found the third one, which we think is this, but we're not too sure because the map's confusing us. So we've either missed one or this is it. So either way, you've got to see 7. It might not be the 7 official ones on the route, but you've got to see 7 waterfalls. Here's waterfall number 4, which is right across the road from that waterfall, which has made me feel like the point on the map was this, not that.
This is San Pedro.
This is San Pedro, apparently.
The other one was San Jorge.
San Jorge, that one right there, or
Yeah, just there.
Okay, well then, yeah. Next is what?
Maybe Del Diablo?
Del Diablo. Oh no, this would be number 4. Del Diablo is number 6, isn't it?
Yeah, I think we might have missed it. Not sure, let's have a look. Oh no, there's Cascada del Duente.
Duente.
And then there's Del Diablo.
And then Macho, is it?
And then Macho.
Okay, so we've got 3 more left. And these are the best. The next 3 are the best. I think that might be the other waterfall, Del Duente, which would be number 5. Yeah, but we're not 100% sure. But this water looks amazing, like it's like a nice turquoise, clear turquoise colour. And we're gonna go swimming in one of the waterfalls at the end. So I changed my mind, we think this is Duente, but we have no idea. You're gonna have to bear with me because it's hard. We've not really got a map, we're using a downloaded map someone created online. So yeah, but this is really powerful and it looks really nice in there. Danger of death, that's good to know. No jumping in. Well, that's it. So this waterfall is Cascada del Diablo, which is the most famous waterfall in Colombia, in Ecuador. They're literally repairing the bridge as we walk across it. We're at the part now where we get to basically go under the waterfall, kind of. Like, we can already feel the water, but we're going to get absolutely soaked going past it. So powerful. I do not want to get hit by that water. We actually didn't really get that wet. We only got like a little sprinkle of water on us. We've got one more waterfall left, it's about 10 minutes away, and we get to swim in this one. It's called Macho or Mache, we're not entirely sure, but it should be quite fun because we actually get to swim in it. We're on the hike now down to the final waterfall. It is called Mache, not Macho. We have to hike like 100 steps or something like that down, and we can swim in this one, which I'm very excited about because it'll be so refreshing. We're at the final waterfall and it is quite tall. And we got a rainbow to finish off the day. I think we're gonna go down and try and swim because you can't swim in this one. We're getting quite soaked as it is. But let's go down, let's see if we can swim in it. Let's go! This looks incredible. And we've got some friends as well. We've met some people down here. This is really cool. Really cool. Yeah. It's quite deep as well. It's deep. It's deep. Come on, get in, get in. Just do it. Get in fully. Get in. Yeah.
That's a big jump.
Don't take out your lights until you're in, because you will touch the floor. Watch the butterfly. This is our taxi home. We're getting in the back of someone's truck. He's charging us like $3 each, but it's better than riding home. When I was in the desert in Vieja, the small town, in the small town, we Paradox. My last day in Baños now, and now I'm heading back towards Colombia. I'm going to be heading to Cali, hopefully get there tomorrow. So I'm going to end this waterfall video. I've got nothing else to show you. I'm just having some lunch before I get the bus. So make sure you smash that like button, comment below what waterfall is your favourite, and subscribe if you're not already. And remember, keep exploring.